हमने तय किया है कि आने वाले विधानसभा चुनाव में उत्तर प्रदेश में कांग्रेस पार्टी 40% टिकट महिलाओं को देगी।
समाज में महिलाओं को सत्ता मिलनी चाहिए। अपनी बहनों से कहती हूँ, आप सत्ता छीनिए पुरुषों से, पंचायत के चुनाव लड़िए, विधानसभा के चुनाव लड़िए, आगे बढ़िए, राजनीति में आइए, ताकि आपके हाथों में सत्ता है।
बोले तो औरत को 50% करके बोलते, लेकिन वो 50% हक नहीं मिलता। बोलने का रहता लेकिन मिलने का नहीं रहता।
नमस्कार, पटना अक्का तेंगी एदेली।
Same time, they stress more on the reservation parts. What do you have to say about that one?
That's the message. That is the thing. That is the main agenda of Congress. See, in local bodies, if you see, we have got already 50%. That's because of Rajiv Gandhi's announcement during his prime ministership period. That then it was 33%. Now then 2005 afterwards, Sonia ji, during Manmohan Singh ji's period, she announces 50% reservation for women. Congress is for women reservation. Congress believes in equality. Congress believes in gender equality. Congress believes in women empowerment.
Because women are equally competent, and we are expecting.
In the last few years, not a single woman have been nominated from the Congress party for the MLC. It's very unfortunate because 50% of the population, 50% of the voters are women. Even in the assembly, also very few women were given tickets and very few women have reached the assembly. At least this time, all the three nominated categories should be given to women from different castes and different communities who have worked for the party, who qualify in the nominated category, and who have not got an opportunity yet should be given. Who have worked for the party continuously for many years, there are many of them who will qualify for the nominated category. I sincerely hope the Congress party and the party leadership, both at the central level and the state level, will take a stand on this. And social justice is literally nothing when if there is no gender justice. So when we are talking about social justice, I think the first point should be gender justice. If there is no representation of the Congress party in the legislative by the women leaders, I think it just does not send the right message both for the voters, women voters, and as a party giving opportunities for women. I sincerely hope all the three nominated MLCs will be given to women leaders who have not got an opportunity and who qualify in this nominated category. So if men are qualifying, why not women? Why not consider women? There are many Muslim women leaders who can qualify. There are many SC/ST community women leaders. There are Dalit. There are Lingayat and Gauda community women leaders. There are other community, OBC community women leaders. So if men are getting an opportunity, so should be the women. I sincerely hope this time the nominated category, all the three, will be given to the women.
समाज में महिलाओं को सत्ता मिलनी चाहिए। अपनी बहनों से कहती हूँ, आप सत्ता छीनिए पुरुषों से, पंचायत के चुनाव लड़िए, विधानसभा के चुनाव लड़िए, आगे बढ़िए, राजनीति में आइए, ताकि आपके हाथों में सत्ता है।